see the Manhattan skyline. It features the Statue of Liberty, the Brooklyn Bridge, and the Empire State Building. Operated by MGM, it opened in 1997 at the cost of $460 million. This used to be the tallest building in Las Vegas until 2005 when Wynn was constructed. For today, we will check in New York, New York. We'll stay in the Stay Well room. We'll check the room. I heard it's newly renovated. Then we're gonna hit their pool and have lunch. Play the arcade, ride the roller coaster, check out the T-Mobile Arena, and play in the casino. Let's go find out if New York, New York is worth it. And off we go. Hello? I can't do the digital key.
May not be working, you can use it, but I don't want you to get all the way up to the room and it not be working for you.
Thank you for calling. Registration and I just got my key with me. Well, I'm still gonna check out the digital key if it works because I like having things digitally. Generation failed. But I guess they still have an issue right now and they're just trying to be safe. We are about to check our room here in New York, New York, and it is as fresh by Stay Well room. That means it has vitamin C infuser, it has air purification, and it has aromatherapy. So I'm pretty excited about that. I did try their Stay Well in Excalibur before. I'm pretty much satisfied. Now we are in the higher floor and I can't wait to show you the room. All rooms here in New York, New York is New York themes. Let's go in. As you enter, on your right will be the full-length mirror. It's very helpful during the travel, especially here in Las Vegas, because you want to see your outfit fully. And on your left, which is your right, is the restroom. I like this restroom because it's modern. It's really pretty and bright over here. I like that they have this and it's very sturdy. You have your hair dryer right here. You have this very simple, this one. Not sure if I'm a fan, but who cares, right? And you have their cleansing soap and lotion. That's it over here. I like this one. Assorted towels. Additional ones here. Really good. It's a bathtub over here. I'm really loving this wall decor right here. It's so New York themed, heavy for the eyes, but I kind of like it. Now let's check out the bed. This is their bed right here. It is kind of super soft. This is a Stay Well room, so I'm hoping to really have a good night's sleep. The pillowcases I'm not a fan of. On the side of the bed, you have your aromatherapy, and I want it a little bit high on the max right now. There's a bit of a sound there. The aromatherapy is working and I could smell that it's really good in this room. It's good that everything in here is for your charging. You even have this USB-C. Oh, the lights are working. Make it easier, right? I just found this now. It's where you put your luggages. Here you have your bar. I brought my own water. Let's see if they have their own water. There is maybe a refrigerator here. Nope. So this is the air purifier and it's working right now. And right here is your 55-inch TV together with a chair table right here. I don't know who sits here, but that could be like a table for your bags or stuff. Very useful, and underneath I might put my shoes underneath there. The cabinets are usually beside the loo, but this one they made it right here. The open cabinets is a modern style. You have your locker if you need it. Lots of drawers. It's pretty spacious. And there, yeah, if you need, the hangers are not anti-theft, you can take it out, which is great. I like that one. Ooh. They do have a mini coffee table here with no coffee maker. Now let's check out the view. Okay. Oh, it's pretty good. We have the strip side. We have the MGM Grand over there. And behind it is the airport. I've stayed in Oyo when I was stuck with JetBlue before. Down below is the roller coaster. I could hear some screams a while ago. It's time to go change for the pool. I took a liberty of putting my outfits. This is their pool area. See right there? Man, the roller coaster is just everywhere. This is actually for rental. It's $10. $10 for the whole day?
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Have fun.
Guys,
Sorry?
am I gonna be famous?
Yes. It's just one pool, but I like it. It's pretty intimate. You could also see the roller coaster around here. It's pretty intimidating. Today is a perfect weather. It's 77 degrees outside, so the pool is just soothing. That's him. He's preparing it for
Here
me.
you go, ma'am. What's
Thank
going on
you.
here? You taking my picture?
Video. Every time I think of New York, I think about pizza on the streets, and so I'm very excited to have this one because it's gonna be like New York, right? Well, we'll see. I've only had New York pizza once in my life, and that was pretty epic. Let's get a bite now. Oh my gosh. Should I fold it? We're folding this one. I'm so glad I had this one. I kind of got sad because Beer House has $7, 7 days a week, happy hour from 2 to 4 p.m. And I know that's a pretty good deal, but now that I missed it, I solidly suggest this one. I'm gonna go for Hershey's dessert later. You wanna check it out with me? Now I'm at the end of it. I find it like really doughy. I mean, it's not really a thin slice New York pizza, but I still love it. Chocolate bar right here. Oh my god, this thing is made out of chocolate. Yes, yes. Cannoli? The heck is this? Oh. Someone should take a picture of the keychain. Wait. It's a bag. Create your own candy bar wrapper. Oops.
It's a Reese cup, a cookies and cream, a milk chocolate Kit Kat.
Thank you for the napkin. It looks like the subway. Go ahead. It looks like the subway of New York. How is it?
I absolutely love it.
Are you saying that because you work here?
No, I mean, I've been on it like dozens of times. I do like it. Other than it's huge, like the 2 drops that are on there, I love the adrenaline that it gets.
You find 3 minutes long. It's long for a roller coaster,
It is
right?
pretty long for a roller coaster. It's like one of the longer times for a roller coaster.
But it's only like the first minute that's like crazy, right?
No, I'd say the first minute is like basically going up the lift. So you spend like a good maybe like 30 to 40 seconds like going up, and then for the rest of the ride you're going through 2 drops, a loop, but it was good.
Short? 2 minutes is short?
It was good.
Okay, thank you. Really good? It's scary? Were you scared? Yeah.
When you're on top, it's quite fast.
Before going, I need to try Nathan's hot dog and it's all around, so I have to try it. What do you think of this one? I'm not used to this one. This is New York hot dog, guys. It's so slim. Is it a rip-off? I like this area. Also, you have to pay the service. But yeah, I guess it's worth $10 for this one. Okay, there's none. This is good. Wow. Now it's perfect. I really want to do the roller coaster as well, but I can't. I lack time. Dinner will be at the mobile arena, so if you want to see that, subscribe and see you next week. Blackjack table sold $3. So what do I think about New York, New York? I think this is a great staple place in the south side of the Las Vegas Strip. Overall, it has good location and great places to eat. What do you think about staying in a stay well room here in the New York Hotel in Las Vegas? I think this room is really great. I like the design of it and the air purification added to a good night's sleep. What do I think about the arcade and the roller coaster? If you're staying here, the roller coaster is quite hard to miss. It's just right there. It's right in front of you. It's even in your room. Let me know if you have comments, suggestions, stories to tell down in the comments. I love reading them. See you next time, and off I go.
Okay.